Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Quadra Turbo RB Tech, and this is from the game Cyberpunk, and this is by Hotwheels from their pop culture series. So again, when this casting originally came out, oh my god, I'm really sorry for the noise, guys. Okay, so okay, I bought this for 549, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this. So someone actually asked me back then when this casting originally came out to unbox this, but I was not able to get it at that time. But luckily I was able to get this today. I mean, uh, today in the sense I'm talking about last week. Okay. So here is the card art. The card art looks really nice. So they went with the same theme, the yellow background with the character in between. So let me just put this aside, and here is the casting itself. So the casting actually looks really good. See, I never actually played this game, but the casting does look really good. There's some scratches on the windshield here, and you can see the interior detailing here, the steering wheel and everything. It looks really cyberpunky. It has rear view mirrors, and I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a headlight detail here, but it has some paint issues here. You can see paint bubbling. I mean, yeah, it has paint bubbling all over the hood. I'm not sure why metal does black paint job, to be very frank, when it comes to this price range, whether it's 179 or 299 or 549. So out of all this range, they always mess up the black. Okay, so it is a full metal casting, and the body and chassis fully made of metal. So this part here, the exhaust, that is plastic, that is not metal. I don't know why they did that, but that is plastic. And here you can see turbo or quadra, I guess, right? What is that? Yeah, quadra. I mean, honestly, the paint job was not really that good, so it is a bit messed up. It is not clear, to be honest. The casting itself looks really good, and if you actually played with this specific car in the game, just let me know how they translated the car from the game to this casting. So because I actually never saw this particular car in that game, whenever I saw a gameplay, I usually saw that Porsche or another different car. I don't even remember what that is. So but overall the casting looks really good. I really love the golden painted chassis, which means they can able to do this, but they are not doing this for other castings. Okay, so the wheels looks really nice. I mean, the tires are rubber, and the rims are plastic. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 47 grams, not bad. Okay, so it actually has a very low profile that looks really good. I mean, even when I'm trying to pick this up, it is actually slipping away from my hand. Okay, this is not fitting the track, so see, this has rubber wheels. We usually don't go, roll, don't do roll test. I mean, we do roll test, but we don't consider that as a big thing when it comes to premiums. So don't worry about it. But the wheel wobbles, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. So I personally love this deep dish kind of rims. It looks really cool. Okay, let's rate this casting. So I'm not sure. Again, I never saw this car in the game. I personally never saw the whole gameplay. So I might have missed out, but it has all the detailing to it. So again, there is this paint bubbling issue that might be only to me, not for everyone. So don't worry about it. But apart from that, it has all the detailing, and I personally love the chassis on this one because of this golden color, and it is kind of a matte gold instead of a glossy one. That is a very, it actually matches with this livery here. So I would give a 10 out of 10 for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.